Okay, so one of the things about the robotics is the OpenAI plus robots, the figure. This is something like science fiction. So there's the OpenAI, the ChatGPT. This will can understand the text, voice, and video and images, and we can also generate the writing and generate the videos, generate the image, everything is generated. So it created the new things. It's just like it's the human brain. And with robots, with the control mechanics. So this is things you can generate the things and control things. That's also everything. Okay, this is we think about this, today's artificial intelligence is at this stage. That's so how many years will the AI will surpass the human beings? That's really the things. Maybe 5 and 10 years as the robot will survive than the human beings. Okay, so and this is the first use the OpenAI's ChatGPT and the combined with the robot. This is communications, just like human beings. So maybe in the near future, there's many robots with that use the same kind of technologies as well. And in the market, there's many humanoid robots will be into the humans' real lives. Okay.